Dennis is asking, what is the best method to integrate remote control in OSD while still in WinPE?
Yeah, that I can answer.
I thought as much.
There are basically three good solutions out there. The good old Dart still works beautifully as long as you have line of sight to the machine, like routing wise. So it cannot be behind a NAT gate or anything like that. Dart is still available, still works in the latest ADK, even though it's 9 years old now, 10 years old, 2015, latest update on that one. But that one is easy to add. I have a script here that added to ConfigMgr Boot Image and starting it right away. Gary also has his blog is up and running here. Let's see, he had some performance hiccups on that one before Christmas. Let's see if it's back on track.
You should tell them about caching.
Yeah, a bit of Cloudflare should be helpful. But if you search for VNC on his blog, there is a blog post on how to implement that into your boot image. And the beautiful thing about VNC is that supports repeaters, so you can have machines behind the gateway and still be able to reach them. It works like TeamViewer. A third option is Mesh Central, that we have mentioned a few times here in the forum. But this is also free, open source. Also works with repeaters. Also works in WinPE. So useful utility. So any of those three, I'll say, is good.
Awesome. Good to have options.
Yep.
Jamie's asking, what about remote help in WinPE for ARM?
I have not tried. Dart does not. I don't know if Dart works in ARM, actually. I haven't tried. Might be hope because there is, in the latest version of the ADK, there is a x64 emulator in WinPE for ARM. So it might work. I just haven't tested.